As a Forex trader, you need to learn how to make hay while the sun shines. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hi Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today is Friday the 2nd of September. I've got some wonderful news about making hay while the sun shines. You see, on last week's video and podcast, I said we had a really difficult trading week last week. Very quiet trading conditions, very difficult to get good trends or to get good technical trade setups. There were a few, but very few. This week, a complete change. There have been very strong trends, continuous trends, wonderful setups all over the place. I've had profit target after profit target. My clients have had that. The trade suggestions that I put out to clients on daily and weekly charts, strength and weaknesses, everything has been an absolute dream week. So far this week, I'm up 4.6% on my live account with a 0.5% risk per trade. And clients who did nothing else than just copied my daily and weekly suggestions this week will be up that same amount, plus trades that they've taken by themselves on other time frame charts. That's just with half of 1% risk, 4.6% gain so far this week. So the thing I want to mention is that when you get quiet trading conditions as last week, you have to have the mental ability to withstand a few losses and also have the mental ability to not take trades just for the sake of taking trades. All you're doing is feeding your broker's sort of back pocket, really, and taking money from your account by forcing trades to show when they're not A-grade setups. So that's one part of trading, the mental side of trading. Likewise, you get this week, and where there's just trades all over the place, you have to take them. You have to make hay while the sun shines, to coin a farming phrase. You know, when the conditions are good, you have to take the trades. You have to see the trades, take the trades. So don't get all gloom and doom from last week when there's nothing happening, or you might be a bit disappointed with your strategy, because look at your trading a longer term perspective. And likewise, when you get good trades this week, make sure you take those trades, but also don't get too greedy. And again, that's another important psychological part of trading. You see, later today, we have the US non-farm payrolls, the monthly employment data out of the US. So you've got to be, sensible about these things. You have a major news announcement coming up later today. So if you've had a great week, don't spoil it by just taking silly trades or leaving your trades open over that news announcement. It's just pointless. If you had a week like we've had this week, be sensible about it and don't go giving it all back to the market. I held a live webinar last night for my clients. Had a wonderful webinar, just trades hitting profit after profit. Just a really dream webinar. On that webinar, Colin, who's been with me for probably 2 to 3 years, he sent through an email with all of his trades for August. Very low risk. He made 12.24% gain on a live account in August. And August is traditionally a very difficult month. So well done, Colin. I also read out and showed my clients an email from Ivo, who lives over in Ireland. Now, Ivo started with me almost 5 years ago. And now, 5 years later, he's written and said, "Hey, Andrew, look, I'm just so grateful for what you taught me on your course and continue to teach, but I'm now a full-time Forex trader." So he's full-time trading. He's trading my strategy, and he's also creating a few robots around what I've helped him teach, plus a couple other methods, breakouts, etc. And he's now a full-time Forex trader. But as he said, he's not trading all the time. He's trading my methods on daily and weekly charts, plus he's got his robots going in the background. And like he said, he's enjoying spending time with his family, not time glued to a computer screen. But he's still a full-time Forex trader. So it's really great news when that happens. So how can this benefit you? These are people that have been with me for several years. If you're new to trading, or you've just found me online, wherever it might be, podcasts, YouTube, how does this help you? Well, the feedback that I've had from my free course that is freely available on my site, there's a link below this video, by the way, get onto that. The feedback has been wonderful. People are loving it. People are making some excellent money. It's helping people understand a bit of technical analysis and how candle patterns work and round numbers, etc. Just excellent feedback. Yesterday, Thursday, the 1st of September, I made 11 suggestions for where I saw strength and weakness, likely strength and weakness overall for the day. All 11 pairs closed the day in the anticipated direction. So what that meant is when you use my free course and you scale down to 4-hour charts or 1-hour charts, whatever it is, the time frames that you like, and you see the setups, there were just ample trading opportunities. So this is free information. It's a free course. It's free daily information, logging into my website, looking at strength and weakness. It's all there for you. Sure, if you want to take your trading further and join the full course, it's entirely up to you, but you don't need to. You right now can get my free course and a free strategy that you can use in real time, learn to trade the markets, learn to make profits from the market, and get yourself on the right side. You know, that you all hear the stories of only 5% of Forex traders make it. Get onto this free course and get yourself educated and make sure you're one of those 5%. So once again, enjoy the free course, enjoy the lessons from this video and podcast. As I said, when the sun shines, make hay, make money, enjoy your trading. See you this time next week.